Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good day. Hello, ma'am, sir. I am Eileen Kaluya. I'm 36 years old. I live at Novaliches, Quezon City. I am a college undergrad with a Bachelor of Science, Hotel and Restaurant Management. I am married. I have two sons. They are 6 and 8 years old, and I have 3 brothers.
Tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
As my experience, I work as domestic helper last 2004 to 2006, and they are 5 members of the family. They are 2 adults and 2 teenagers and 1 elderly.
How many helpers in the house?
I'm only one.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to expand my experience in other countries.
What will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, I fix myself, and then I'm preparing foods for my employer, and then after that, I'm cleaning the house, washing clothes and ironing, and also sometimes I'll clean the car of my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money, to send money for my family, and to support my family needs, financial needs, and also to give my best.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is normal, but I'll make sure that I manage my homesick. Like I will call my family also.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
I have experience with also with my own child. I'll always take care, and then I will prepare foods and changing diaper, changing clothes, changing diaper, and cleaning the feeding bottle, sterilize also.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I will check the temperature of the baby. I'll get the temperature using the thermometer, and I call my employer to inform them.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
Yes, I have experience of taking care of elderly. First, I treat elderly as my own parents. I will follow the all elders and give respect to them.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
Yes, I will promise not to break my contract, and I will share my commitment.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes. The bus and the bus and the go round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Tell me about your cooking experience.
I cook simple Filipino foods like steamed fish, fried rice, bihon, and then noodles. And also I'm willing to learn how to cook different kind of dishes.
Tell me, what time do you sleep at night, and what do you do before sleeping?
Before I go to sleep, I'll make sure that all the doors and windows is locked properly and light is off.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Hi ma'am, sir, good day. Please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I'll be a good helper and trustworthy, hardworking, and honest. Thank you, and God bless.